Yo, how's it going, guys? It's me, and welcome back to another Lego video. And today is Among Us Part 2, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make this really cool Among Us Lego puzzle box. So it may not look like a puzzle box, but at the top here is the mini crewmate. Here is a trapdoor, and here are 4 keys. Pull the wrong one, and the mini crewmate goes all the way into the lava down there. So the aim of the game is to take out all the right keys, so then the mini crewmate can escape. So there's 3 right keys and 1 wrong key. So I'm going to take out this one. Oop, that's a right key. I'm going to take out this one. That's the right key. But now there's 2 more. So I think I'm going to take out this one. And the mini crewmate died. So I'm going to be showing you how to build it. So at the back here's a little hole for you to grab it. Grab the mini crewmate and keep on playing your game. I'm just insert everything back. Put the mini crewmate here. Just laying down here. So now let me show you the mechanism. So the mechanism is fairly simple. I used this special Lego trapdoor piece. And here's the bottom to stop the trapdoor from falling. I used this Technic key piece, Technic beam with this another Technic key piece. And if you want it to drop down, just pull this out. And let me just insert it back. And these are just mini Technic beams, and it's all built on this black Technic frame. And there's 2 half pins here. I just stick this yellow warning hazard sign just for some decoration. Let me just put this back on. And it sits on this pillar, 4 pillars of 2x2 white bricks. So to build it, you just need some 2x2 white bricks and just build it up. And then you're going to need the special Technic base piece. Then find a trapdoor and just stick it on top. And just tile it to make it seem nice. And then get 4 Technic key pieces. And then put 1 with a long Technic beam and 3 with short Technic beams. So make sure the small Technic beams don't stop it. Because if it does stop it and I pull out the wrong key, it still won't fall down. So make sure to use these small red ones. They're the best for this. And then just insert it into here, and then you have your Among Us game. Oh, and remember to put your mini crewmate. So anyone can play this. This is basically a mini game you can put on your desk. You can test your family or friends on if they can solve it. Or if you want, instead of putting the innocent crewmate, you can put the red sus imposter. Let me just heighten this. And then you'll feel a bit more nice about dropping him into lava. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more Among Us by me, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to see it. So please like and subscribe again. And if you want me to build something, then comment down below. So thank you guys again. Have a great evening and goodbye.